ended up on this one deal that was this company, UC Rusal, which is I believe it still is the case, the largest aluminum manufacturer in the world, this Russian company, owned by, it was going public. We were taking it through this form of restructuring. It was massively over levered. And then as you know, commodities came crashing down, it had to restructure a whole lot of its debt. It was going to IPO to do, it was all this kind
So
of
let me guess,
restructuring.
you had to basically run about 500 capital structure scenarios through some complex waterfall model with like 500 layers of debt. And
yes, that, and then also we had, with the company, we worked through this operating model of optimizing kind of with the raw material that's used to make aluminum, where that comes from, the cost of shipping that through the different facilities, what the cost is of each of those different facilities, and depending on the transportation costs, you send it to different facilities, and then
even just the revenue build was insane.
And then different aluminum prices, and that was just a total mess. And that was
very similar to my experience.
6+ months of my life where that's the only deal I worked on. And we had update meetings every Monday in Moscow, which I obviously did not go to. And it meant that there was all sorts of iterations of analysis that had to be done and updates of presentations
over the weekends
for Monday morning, which meant pretty much not for the full 6 months, but I forget now, but easily 3 months of it, practically every Sunday I pulled an all-nighter.
And then you have to be there Monday through Friday. You can't like not show up on Monday, right? Even
people would roll into the office Monday morning and I was still there in my jeans and t-shirt from my Sunday.
It's hilarious. That's a good look, man. It's a good look. You're like, what are you doing?
Not ideal. And so that kind of built, for me.
Did you at least get to go out Saturday nights?